Eldoret. Eldoret is a town I've just wished to visit and see how it looks like. Eldoret has been on the map of Kenya to be the fifth, was supposed to be the fourth capital city in this country, but definitely it never made it to that standard. And why did it not make it to that standard? What do people look into giving a town a city status? We have no idea. Is it the population? Is it the party? Is it the motherland? Is it the language? I have no idea. But one thing I know, this town deserves to be one of the greatest cities in Kenya. It is the only town in Kenya with an international airport. Town, listen to my words, town in Kenya with an international airport. Even the fourth city in Kenya doesn't have international airport. It has just a national park and a good population. Can we say, is it the population that made it to that far? This town has beautiful structures, building, houses. They also have suburbs where rich people hide in this town. This town has the greatest standard that I've never seen. I've watched it grown. I've watched it going so far in the distance to be a city. Can we say it is because of the political things and population? Because it only has one party that is popular in that town. Not like Nairobi. Nairobi, anyone can be who they want to be in politics. Oh, also Kisumu is also another town that you cannot be without one party, but it has a standard to be a city. Is it because it has a port? Is it because it...
Kawaida hapa ndipo unapopata burudani, so jisikie huru ndani ya show kali ambayo inakupatia kile ambacho unapenda zaidi. Si unajua Queen ni mmoja hapa kwenye show.
Kadad ya Mutabi.
DJ ni mmoja tu.
Papa mkule kuna DJ ka?
Is there any other king you know?
No, papa mzade.
Kasema mtongo. Alafu mgeni wetu leo ni Bahati, anawakilisha kama kawaida. Na nilikuwa nimesema shabiki yake kama Bahati, pia kuna lolote ambalo ungependa kujua kuhusiana na Bahati basi. Una bahati ya kwamba Bahati ataweza kujilia maswali. Unajua so tutakuwa tunapiga story na Bahati kuhusiana na mambo.
Taifa hili barani Afrika linaongoza kwa kuwa na ndovu wengi zaidi. Nazungumzia wale elephants kati ya Kenya, Tanzania na Botswana. Jibu lako tuma kwa 40899.
Okay. Hiyo ndio namba ambayo unafaa kutumia. Big up sana kwa wasikilizaji.
city has an international airport, the ships, or the population? We have no idea. So guys, I don't know why Eldoret has never get the city status. The beauty of this town has emerged so far with good environment to be for agricultural investment. If you're an investor, this is the best town to invest in, only for 5 years, if that is so, if it is politically affected. This town is known of good product like milk, cows, and agriculture, all maize. Yes, it is the capital city of Uasin County. Uasin or Uasin, I don't know. It is not my mother tongue. Yeah. The town is primarily town in the Rift Valley region of Kenya and serve as the capital of Uasin County. The town is also collapsed known as Sisibo. Yes, this town deserves to be and will be on the status of city in the next years to come. If you will have good leaders, good political leaders, diverse in mother tongue, like there will be a lot of other people coming in. You know, when you invite people in your area, it start to develop, like the way Kenya is developing. Look at Nairobi. Nairobi has great things to offer to the market, and that is what this status need, this city needs, this town needs. Yes, it needs that status of city because it deserves it. But will people allow it to be? Because you have to accept other people to come in here to buy land, buy things there, build, have investment in real estate in this place, have great maturity of the more roads that are being built. I've seen also, you can see in my video, there is an highway passing outside the city for those big trucks to be using that. So let this town be a city. It deserves it. One of it. And thank you.